Hey everybody, this is Brian with Tropic Shores Realty. I am in Hernando Beach, removing my real estate sign. There's a hurricane around the corner. It is August 28th, 2023. This hurricane is going to hit us on the 30th, early in the morning. So I decided to bring my Mavic 3 drone. I'm a 1 of 7 licensed drone pilot. Been flying for about 7 years, and I decided to help my sellers get an idea what their property is going to look like before and after the storm. And this property is situated at 4049 Casa Court, which is supposedly the better flood zone for this neighborhood. So we'll see how that turns out after the storm. Hernando Beach looks like right in the middle of the crosshairs at the moment. So let's fire up the Mavic 3 and see what Hernando Beach looks like today. And I will come back, put my sign back in place, and then get after footage of this neighborhood. And I hope all these homes are going to be okay. The weather shifted very quickly. You can see how hard the rain is hitting the drone as I'm about to land it. I'll come back after the storm, shoot some after footage of Hernando Beach. I'll post it either on YouTube or my Facebook page. If you have any real estate questions or needs, my information is in the description below. Thanks.